So today in this video I am going to tell you about how can you spoof any file extension. Suppose if you are exploiting any target which is using a Windows based computer, so obviously the target will be .exe in .exe format. So if you have made any backdoor or if you have made any payload, so the payload have a file, so the payload will have a file extension in .exe format. So if you send the target or if you send the target a payload or a backdoor which will be in .exe format, this will look suspicious. So obviously a person will not execute a payload or execute a .exe format until and unless if he or she is downloading from any kind of website or some verified website. So in that case you can spoof that extension. So how can you spoof that? Suppose the name of your payload is payload.exe. So you can spoof this to a PDF also. So I'm going to tell you how can spoof this. Go to the search option in Kali and write characters. You will get the characters over here. Click this. The characters will open and search for right to left override. RIGHT to left, right to left override. See, there is an option known as right to left override. Open this by clicking and copy character. Just click this and then do one thing, then go to there. So what will I do over here? I will spoof the .exe to PDF. So in that case what do I have to do? I'm writing it and the payload.exe. So if I want to spoof it to PDF, so in this case I have to write the PDF in reverse order in before the dot. That means I have to write in FDP. So before the dot means before the file extension where it is begin, I have to place the cursor over here and I have to write it FDP. So now the payload is payload fdp.exe. So place the cursor over here, go and just control V, just paste the correct character which you have copied from the right to left override characters. The payload has been and the payload has been extended to .pdf. So this is the format. So this is how you can spoof it. So if you don't understand, I am showing you in a legitimate, in a good way. Suppose there is an option on a payload.exe. So the first thing is that if you want to spoof to a PDF or some other format, you have to write that in the reverse order. So the reverse order of the PDF is FDP. First I'm giving a dash over here, and then I'm giving the dash to make you understand how the spoofing works. Then write FDP because the reverse order of PDF is FDP. And what do I have to do? I have to paste the character which I have copied from the right to left override before the spoofing of the file extension. Suppose I want to spoof to PDF. So where the my character is beginning means the spoofing character, I have to go to the cursor, take the cursor over there and just pen Control X, Control V. So paste the character over there. So it will get spoofed to PDF exe.pdf. So now you can do one thing. You can remove the dash over here. Sorry. You can do like this. So it will look like PDF exe.pdf. Actually this is a .exe, means this is a executable file. But what I have done is that I have just spoofed the file extension to .pdf. So in this case, if you send to the target by this, it will look legitimate, and the target will think, yeah, it is a PDF. So actually payload exe.pdf is still somewhat suspicious. So you can do one thing. You can search any name, or you can use your dictionary, or you can use Google to search something where the name which ends with exe, or the name which ends with ex. In that case it will look like suspicious. Suppose there is a name and to uh, Xerox. So Xerox.exe. So if I want to spoof it over here, it will like PDF. Sorry, you want to FDP and just Control V. And now what you can do, you can replace that exe into the original file format. You can do like this. you can do like this. So it is it is some so it is so the original file extension is .exe and .pdf is at the end. So it is actually a .exe executable file, but in this case it is looking, but in this case when you will send this to the target, it will look like .pdf. So suppose the payload over here is, I want to rename it, what is this, control pdf, and just control with the character. It is looking like control payload exe.pdf. This is my original payload and it is a executable file only. So in that case, do like this and send. How can you send? Copy this to your web server, and one thing you have to remember, you have to archive it in, means copy, go to the web server, files, other location, computer, var www html, and paste over here, and do one thing, just open with archive manager, sorry, compress it and make a .zip file, create, and you have to send the zip over here, because if you send the payload exe.pdf, the website will automatically unlock the right to left over it, and it will look like payload pdf.exe or payload.exe. It will remove the spoofing extension. So if you send the extension over here like this, if you don't make a zip file, or if you don't compress the file, the website will automatically remove the spoof extension and the file will become a normal file. So the target will know that it is some kind of virus, so they will not run. So make the file as a zip format by clicking compress and select the zip and give some name over here and then click OK. So it will create a zip. When the target when will you send this zip to the target, will have to uncompress the zip and he will get the payload exe.pdf in a spoof file extension only, not the original file extension. So in this way you can spoof any file extension if you want. So I hope you will like this video. So thank you for watching the video.